Hello everyone, my name is Renuka Abasai Bhadole. So today's we are going to talk about what is JDK, JRE, JVM and JVM. So let's see JVM. JVM is stand for a Java Virtual Machine. Is think of the JVM as a virtual computer that understand a special type code called as a bytecode. It's like a translator between your Java code and computers language. And how to work when you write a Java program, it's not directly understood by your computers. So computers hardware, so instant it's translate into a byte code which is a set of instruction that is JVM can understand. The JVM then takes this byte code and translate it into machine code, which is specific to the computer it's running on. And importance of JVM for um, platform independent language. You can write your program once and run it on any device with a compatible JVM. It provides a layer of abstraction, allowing a Java program to be um, and run on a various device without a modification. Java runtime. Next is a JRE. JRE stand for a Java Runtime Environment. So, what is Java Runtime Environment? Is a bundle of software that includes the JVM libraries and other components needed to run Java applications. What inside JRE contains the JVM class, library, and other file necessaries for running Java applications. It's uh, it's like a ready to use package that allow to execute the Java programs. So it is without worrying about development tools. And importance of a JVM. If just want to run Java program, you need the JRE. It's provide everything necessary for executions, making it convenient for in users who uh, don't need to write or modify Java code. Java Development Kit, JDK, it is a Java Development Kit. And then Java Development Kit is more execute the package and include everything in JRE plus additional tool for developing Java applications. What's the in addition to the components found in the JRE and JDK includes the development tools like the Java compiler, which turn your human readable Java code into bytecode, and debuggers and others utilize. And the importance to plan the right and develop Java programs we need to the JDK. It's to provide all tools necessaries for creating, compiling, and debugging uh, debugging your code and putting it all together. And these are the three three types of for examples, JRE, JDK, JVM. That's the all about the explanation of Java programs. And it is into a universal language bytecode. The repeated device JVM and then translate into language. It uh, Developers use the JDK to the write and compiler programs, and the resulting bytecode can be distributed in user who want to the run Java programs. That's all about the JRE, JVM and JDK. Thank you for watching this video.